Alright, so now let's move on to Tom Cat and Jim Rat. Alright? But before we move into the story itself, we need to look at some of the words that we have already learned before. Okay? So these words you have already learned before in your and more, right? So these words you have already learned before. Okay, so let us take a look at it. The first word, and, okay, this is easy, and. We have jam, we have mat, we have bat, we have sit, hat, cat, cap, log, hit, rat, and lid, right? So these are the words that we have already learned before, okay? Alright, now let us move on to the actual story itself, okay? So this story is on Tom Cat and Jim Rat, okay? So the cat's name is Tom, while the rat's name is Jim, okay? So the rat here is Jim, and the cat here is Tom, alright? Okay, so the first picture you can see this black color cat, okay? This black color cat is called Tom Cat, okay? The name of the cat is Tom, right? The name of the cat is Tom. So this cat, you call it Tom, right? So Tom Cat. Tom Cat is on Dad's lap. Tom Cat is on Dad's lap, alright? So the first new word is lap. Right? This is the first new word, lap, okay? So let me write down on the board for you. Alright, so the first new word is lap, L-A-P, right? Lap. Okay? What is a lap? Okay? The cat is sitting on Dad's lap, right? So this is a lap, okay? So the cat is sitting on the lap, alright? Okay? So the next page, Dad has a bag, right? Dad has a bag, okay? So the new word is bag, here, B-A-G, right? Bag. Alright, so a bag is this one. Okay, the red color thing that you can see here, this is a bag, okay? Tom Cat sits on Dad's bag, okay? Tom Cat sits on Dad's bag, okay? So previously, the cat was sitting on Dad's lap, right? Dad's lap. Now the cat is sitting on Dad's bag, okay? Dad's bag, okay? Now we move on to the next page. Now we move on to Jim. Okay, Jim. So Jim is a pet rat. Alright, Jim is a pet rat. Okay, so the new word here is pet. Okay, pet. So pet is like an animal that you keep at home. Okay, so an example of a pet can be, as you can see here, a rat, right? It can also be a cat. It can also be a dog, right? And many more. Okay, so these are examples of pet, alright? Okay, so Jim is a pet rat. So the name of the rat is Jim. So this guy is Jim, okay, he's a rat. Alright? Jim Rat is on Kim's lap. Jim Rat is on Kim's lap. Okay, so again, the rat is sitting on the lap, right? But now he's sitting on Kim's lap. So this person's lap. Okay? Kim is this person. Okay, is this person wearing the red color shirt, alright? Okay? Okay, next page. A lid and a tap. A lid and a tap. Okay? So the new words here are the tap, right? And remember the word lid? We've learned the word lid before, right? L-I-D. So just now I was saying this is a tin and this is a lid, right? This is a lid. Okay? Now I take the lid out. Okay, so I have the lid here. This is the lid, right? Okay, and I have a tap here. I have a tap here. Okay, so this is a tap. Alright? Okay, so this is a tap. And this is a lid. Alright, so you see, this is a tap and this is a lid, right? And this is what these are water droplets dripping down, right? Okay, so a lid and a tap. Jim Rat has a sip. Okay, Jim Rat has a sip. Alright, so the new word here is the word sip, right? S-I-P. Okay, so the word sip simply means to drink a little bit of water from the lid, right? So you can see the rat is very small. Okay, the rat is very small in size. Okay, so he is not able to drink the whole thing, right? So he takes a little sip. Okay, so a little bit of water from here. Okay, so this is called a sip. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. Alright, next page is, you can see the cat and you can see the rat, right? And the cat is very angry here, okay? And the rat is running away, okay? So Tom Cat nips Jim Rat. Tom Cat nips Jim Rat, okay? So the new word here is nips. Okay, N-I-P-S. Alright, so the cat is trying to scare the rat away, right? The cat is trying to scare the rat away, alright? So that's the word nips, okay? So on the next page, you can see Dad and you can see Kim, right? And you can see the cat, alright? And this is new, and this is a broomstick, okay? This is a broomstick. Alright, so Dad taps Tom Cat. Dad taps Tom Cat. Okay, so the new word here is taps. Okay, so Dad uses the broom to tap Tom Cat. Okay, he uses the broom to tap Tom Cat. So imagine this is a broom and I tap. Okay, this is a broom and I tap. Okay, so Dad using the broom tap Tom Cat. Okay, alright, Kim is glad. Kim is glad. Okay, so the new word here is the word broom, right? Okay, the word broom. As well as tap. Okay, taps is here and glad. Okay, glad has the same meaning as happy. Okay, it's something like happy. Alright. So if you are feeling happy, you are feeling glad. Okay, so glad is another word for happy. Okay, alright. So now Tom Cat is sad, right? Tom Cat is sad. Tom Cat is sad. Okay, Dad lets him on his lap. Okay, Dad lets him on his lap. Okay, so now that the cat is sad, Dad lets Tom sit on his lap again. Okay, so Tom can sit on his lap again. Alright, Okay, so as you can see here, the cat is now on Dad's lap, right? So Tomcat is on Dad's lap, okay? Jim Rat is on Kim's lap. So Jim Rat is on Kim's lap, while Tomcat is on Dad's lap, okay? The next page, Tomcat has a nap. Tomcat has a nap, alright? Alright, so the new word here is nap. Okay? A nap means to sleep, right? So this is called a nap. So you are sleeping, okay? You are sleeping. Alright, so Tomcat has a nap and Jim Rat has a nap. So both of them, both of them have a nap, right? They are napping, okay? They are sleeping. Okay? So on the next page, Tomcat will not nip Jim Rat. Tomcat will not nip Jim Rat. Alright, so the two of them decide to be friends, right? So they will not try to bully each other, okay? They will not try to fight, okay? Alright, so now that both of them are good friends, Kim is glad and Dad is glad. Okay, so everyone is happy, okay? Now that both the cat and the rat are friends. Okay?